Hey, hi. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use Janus AI Pro for free and how you can use it. And also, we're going to compare it to other image generation AIs like Gemini, ChatGPT, and see is it really worth it to use Janus Pro AI or, So you can go to Google and just search Janus AI.pro. They have a website. Okay. And you can go to this website. Let me click on it. It will open a website like this. On the menu, there's whatever, DeepSeek, whatever. Okay, you just have to scroll down and you go to a section where you see, okay, I think it's still loading. I think I have a slow internet. You're going to go to a section. Okay, this is a section. We're going to go to a section. Just Pro 7B. We're going to go to a section to text to image. Okay, it's here. This is a multimodal understanding. This is text to image generation. Okay. You have a section to put your prompt. So we're going to say generate a realistic cat eating pizza. Okay. I've already done this prompt in Gemini, and Gemini gave me a very good picture like this. I just say generate a realistic cat eating pizza. It generated something like this. I could see like some milk was at the glass of milk has, spilled down. Then there's some pieces of, pizza and the empty plate. It was kind of actually a good idea by just using a simple thing like generate a cat eating pizza. Okay. So we're going to see how it's going here. So let me just click on generate images. Okay. Now it's going to really count. I think it's showing me like 5, 6. I think it counts up to 21 seconds to generate images. Now, the cool thing about Janus AI, it creates actually multiple versions of that image. It creates almost like, I think these are like 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, this is a cat eating pizza. We have said realistic, though I really don't feel the images. Okay, I really don't feel the images. If I compare that to this, the cat is even holding the pizza, and it really looks more realistic than this. Okay, this really doesn't really look. It's really good, but it's not really realistic at the other one. I don't really say like it's really bad, but if I compare with the Gemini, I think you can see the difference. Let's try to see in ChatGPT. Where's my ChatGPT? I made a prompt to create. Still, I use generate a realistic cat eating pizza. You will see it is something like this. I really like the cat. The cat looks like my mom's cat actually at home, and it's eating a pizza, sitting on the floor. So if I look at this, okay, maybe let's try to enlarge it. If I look at this and the other ones, I really feel like, ChatGPT and Gemini are still actually cool to generate images. If I compare with this, I really don't feel like these are real, Yeah, so that's what I can say, but it's kind of a cool AI. You can get to, get different image sizes, but still, I think Gemini and AI to me and ChatGPT are actually cool, still cool, and I find them better than, um, Janus AI. Okay, that is just my personal view. I've generated several pictures with this, and I can tell you, like, most of them have been really realistic. We are talking about realistic images than the ones that I get in Janus Pro 7B. Okay, now this is a free version I'm using. I just went to their website. I believe for more, you have to sign up, which I haven't done. So you may have to sign up if still you want to use it for free. You just actually have to, use maybe different browsers if you want to Most of these AIs, if you use a different browser, you can try to get a free version every time you sign up with a different email. But some of them are really good, and you feel like you have to support the creators. So I eventually actually always pay my sometime my AIs. But generally, that's what I can say about Janus AI. Okay, don't forget to subscribe. I usually do a lot of videos about AI, creating images, creating videos, and I'll see you in the next video. I'll appreciate if you can leave me a like. You can also say hi to me, and I really appreciate seeing there the bros and the sisters that I'm talking with every day. Okay, bye bye.